Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the control panel and find here screen record icon. Tap on it and before starting recording you'll see here record audio switcher. Just click on the switcher to activate the audio just to record the device audio or just to turn it off. You could also switch device audio to the microphone option and to device audio and microphone together. So just to turn on or turn off this option, you should click to the switcher, and after that you could start your screen recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.